We have several things that we need to get to here. First Alert meteorologist Jeff Ray joining us. Jeff, no First Alert weather day today, but tomorrow things are going to change for us.
Yeah, we kind of have a respite today from the first big spring rains of the season that fell yesterday afternoon and evening. It was dangerous out there with all the flash flooding, the flood warnings that were going on. Now, as far as today, look at my feet. You see these thunderstorms developing in West Texas and then going into central Oklahoma. This is the next 12 hours. That's what we think happens. These storms are developing along a dry line over the next couple of hours. I don't think they reach into North Texas much. We might see them kind of clip our northwest counties. We'll keep an eye on that, but the risk is pretty small that it's going to be a threat for us. We've had a lot of cloud cover today. It's been very humid and a south wind, but the clouds helped keep the temperatures down just enough not to get thunderstorms going. There have been a few showers around, but right now it's 81 degrees and we've got this brisk south wind. I mean, gusts over 30 and the dew points in the 60s. So all we need is kind of a focusing mechanism to get storms going. We really don't have one today. We do see these showers going on Futurecast, you can see, but as I move forward, look at these thunderstorms just out to our northwest. Again, I don't think they're going to threaten us later tonight over in our northwest counties, but we'll keep an eye in here late into the night. We're more worried about tomorrow and Saturday, first half of the day, then again on Tuesday. But let's just talk about what's ahead as we count down into the weekend. This is the SPC's outlook for tomorrow. And you see that slight risk does get into the Metroplex and go up to the Red River. It's along I-20, we think, in north where the biggest risk of severe weather is going to be tomorrow. We think that we're going to be talking about supercells developing in the afternoon heating. And once you get those going, you could have damaging winds that could get 60, 70 miles an hour. You get hail up to 2-inch in size even, but isolated tornadoes will certainly be the risk of those. There won't be many of them, but we'll have to watch for their formation and how they track. Now, that is a slight risk tomorrow that's now been updated that include parts of southern coverage areas here in North Texas. So we'll keep an eye on Saturday. We think this is the first half of the day, by the way, for Saturday. Let's look at the forecast modeling on this. Now, tomorrow will be another cloudy day with a few showers across the morning. That isn't the severe weather threat. You might see a little bit of rain going on, and the longer that goes on, really the better for us. It suppresses the temperatures and makes those thunderstorms not quite as strong, but we think some break out. Now, this model run, notice there's just one here, but it could be anywhere across North Texas or to our south, and we'll keep an eye on that. When the front comes towards us in the morning on Saturday, we're going to start seeing some bigger rains start to form up, and this could be a flooding threat across the morning and into the early afternoon hours, especially across our southern counties. Again, this is Saturday, so Saturday looks like there's going to be a lot of rain, especially the first half. The flooding risk, we're in a slight risk for tomorrow, and that's really as we close the day, get into the evening. And then on Saturday, we're into this risk really from the Metroplex down to the south. So we just have to watch over the next couple of days for all this weather. Here's the 7-day forecast. Notice how much cooler it is on Saturday because the front's coming through, as I was showing to you. We're only in the 60s, and the 60s are Sunday. So we're going to bring it into the streak of 80-degree weather that is, we'll talk about this in the next half hour. Absolutely unprecedented. Anyway, here's the next day, Tuesday. Tuesday is a classic setup for severe weather threat across North Texas. But let's just get past the weekend, guys, and we'll talk more about that.